Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another crochet braid video. We are going to be talking about this ripple deep crochet braid style I have been wearing. But before we jump into today's video, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn post notifications on, and give the video a thumbs up. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, welcome boo. So let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts on this hair. Okay guys, so to start off this video, let me go ahead and mention two previous videos that you might want to watch if you have not seen me in this style before. So the first one that you're going to want to watch is going to be the actual installation tutorial part for this style, where I actually unboxed the hair, showed you guys my braiding pattern, how I installed the hair. We talk about the specs, the feel, all that type of stuff in the first video. So I'm going to link that one down below and in the cards for you guys. The second video you're going to want to watch is going to be my maintenance routine, how to keep your crochet braids looking good, brand new, okay baby, looking like bundles, okay, because period. Okay, we have a new product on the scene. So if you guys know that I have been using the Downy fabric softener on my hair, we've thrown that to the side, okay, and we picked up something new. So if you haven't seen that video, baby, cards, description box, okay, check it out. So let's go ahead and discuss my final thoughts on this hair. What do I think? Is this one a winner? Do we want to add this one to our favorite list, or is this one on our no thanks, I'm good list? So let's talk about it. The hair is, it's giving. It's giving. You can see that though. You knew what I was gonna say already. You already knew. Like, look at it. You guys, like, it's gorgeous. It's literally gorgeous. So the feel of the hair, so it still feels good. You guys know this is a long, wavy, silky type of style. I have not cut it. Okay, this is the original length. Of course, I've snipped off a few of the ends that got a little ratty, some of the single stranded knots, little matting and stuff. Of course, I cut all of that out when I was detangling it and twisting it up. But this is the length of the hair. It is still feeling very nice and soft. Still feels good, you guys. So it's a winner for me. Now I will say with this one, you have to be prepared to maintain it, okay? So I know a lot of times when we throw in crochet braids, protective styles in general, we don't want to do any work, and that's cool and all, but for this style, I'm letting you know, if you want it to stay looking good, you're gonna have to do a little bit of work. So you're gonna need to find some type of product. Like I said, go watch the previous video so you guys can see the new product that I found and how I used it and all that type of stuff. But you're gonna need to find a good new product, okay? Apply it to the hair, detangle it, twist it up at night, put a bonnet on. You're gonna need to twist the hair up every night, okay? If you just put a scarf on and just go to sleep, or just like throw it in your bonnet, like, that's cool and all. I'm happy you're protecting the hair from the pillowcase, but it's still gonna be matted in the morning. So you're still gonna have to go through and like pull the curls apart and stuff. So just be prepared that you are gonna need to twist this one up at night in order to keep it looking good. If you don't wanna do a lot of work to your crochet braid styles, this might not be the one for you. But guess what? I posted a video recently on low maintenance and no maintenance crochet braid styles. It'll be in the cards and the description box down below, so I can check that one out if you're looking for a style that is a little bit less work. So I'm not saying this one is like, oh my gosh, it's so much work, like I would never want to do this again. Like, no, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, just know that you will need to be spraying it, detangling it, applying a good product and all if you want it to last. So speaking of how long it will last, it has been 2 weeks since I've had this style in. I would give it 4 weeks. For these long wavy type of styles, I would not go past the 4-week mark. Even at 3 weeks, I might be like, okay, I'm good on it. And that's because, just because it is so long and because of the texture, I feel like no matter how much work you put in, after a month, like, it's gonna be done. Like, it's just gonna be done and that's it. Now, to each his own. Okay, there are people who would keep it in for 5 weeks, 6 weeks, maybe even 8 weeks, baby. I don't know, but I'm telling you, regardless of if I had to take this style out to put in something else, which is what I need to do, even if I could wear this style like a month, after a month, girl, it's done. It's done. Okay, but it definitely feels really good. This one would be a good one for swimming. I get questions a lot. Is this one good for vacation? Can this one get wet? You know, whatever. I would say yes. I would say that this one would be a good one just because it is long and silky. So after it gets wet, you can kind of just like go through it a little bit and then twist it up. And when you twist it up, that should revive it and it should be good. Now, have I actually done it? No, I've never actually been swimming in any of my crochet braid styles. I've never taken my head and dunked it completely under the water. But if I had to guess, and if I personally was picking out a style for vacation and I was gonna be doing water activities and stuff, I would think this would be a good one. So, okay, definitely. Now, I'm trying to think what else I wanna tell you guys. I think that's pretty much it. Like, just be prepared to twist it up at night, find a good product that you like for the hair. It still feels good, still feels silky. Like, the curl pattern has held up really well, and of course twisting it at night is going to help to preserve the curl pattern as well. Be sure to put your scarf on, and yeah, girl, I think that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything about this crochet braid hair, leave it in the comment section down below. I always try to get back to you guys. Don't forget to check out my crochet braid playlist as well as the videos that I mentioned in today's video. I'm gonna try to remember to link them in the cards. If not, girl, they will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, let me know some other crochet braid styles y'all want me to try out next. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.